Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by confirming your device and enabling required permissions. Make sure you have an Android phone or Chromebook and the Google Play Store or a Chromium-based browser like Kiwi. Once done, turn on Install from unknown sources if you plan to sideload. This lets you install APKs that replicate web store features. Next, download a lightweight APK installer or open the Chromium-based browser to prepare for extensions. These steps set up the environment so you can add the store interface on mobile. Now you'll get the Chrome Web Store interface running. Open Kiwi or Microsoft Edge and switch to desktop mode so the web store loads. Search for a web store extension or download a trustworthy APK that mirrors store functionality. Install it through the APK installer or the browser's extension page. Make sure to accept permissions and confirm installation. Once installed, restart the browser and open the web store interface. This allows you to browse and add compatible extensions to your mobile browser. Finish by installing the extensions you need from the web store interface and enabling them in the browser's extensions menu. Test each extension to confirm it runs on mobile. Make sure site access and permissions are correctly set because mobile behaviors differ from desktop. If something fails, clear the browser cache, update your browser to the latest version, and try reinstalling the extension. If issues persist, disable other extensions to check for conflicts, and then re-enable them one at a time to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.